Aloha! It's Dr. David Yu, and we're going to talk about the difference between Obagi and ZO. So, we used to carry the old Obagi medical system years ago, and Dr. Zain Obagi is a legend. He created Obagi medical systems, and it works on pigment, melasma, and about 5 years ago, ZO came out, and it caused a little confusion. I thought, wait a second, I thought Obagi and ZO, which stands for his initials, Zain Obagi, were the same. Well, it turns out that he had sold his company many, many years ago, made a fortune, and in the agreement was not allowed to use his name and come up with a new company for a set period of time. So at the time when ZO came out, it turns out that this genius had all this time to improve on what he had already created. And when we looked at the products, I did a half-half test, the old Obagi system versus the new one. And I noticed they were very similar in results. The cost was similar. So what it came down to then was, why should I give up the old one for the new one? Well, I looked at the obvious things, which was, number one, the branding. This is elegant. The old Obagi system is still the old packaging from 20 years ago. I did a little more history on it, and the old Obagi system had actually been bought and sold by several corporations. And now one of their manufacturing offices is in China. So it's still a great company, but I prefer to use the ZO brand as it's more up to date. And more importantly, it's also customizable. The old system basically had three choices: dry skin, normal, or oily. Dr. Obagi now, the ZO system, is customizable. So you get your skin ready, then if you have pigment issues, you prevent or correct, and then you protect. So I only use the ZO system now, and I've seen a remarkable transformation. I'm in my 50s, and I'm just very pleased with it. And if you have any questions and want to try it out, please come to our office, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Aloha.